Like most things, residential design has evolved over the years. I'm Alexis, and with me is Bob, and here are a few ways that residential design has changed on macro and micro levels.
I've worked in the mixed-use studio for 9 years at the LA office, and I've seen the transition from retail entertainment-centered mixed-use districts with peripheral resi and office towards a residential-centric destination places. The live element has taken over shop and play, and now post-COVID has merged with work. Alexis, have you seen similar trends?
Working in the Dallas office as an interior designer in the lifestyle studio, I've seen a great deal of incorporating live work and play within one singular environment, bringing the outside in with larger spans of glass to increase natural lighting levels and even larger balconies within the units, in addition to offering more grand amenity spaces. Trending programs that I have seen circulating have been ranging from larger co-working areas to individual and group use, to creating more conference room options and even transitional lounge areas with plugging in capabilities. A few amenity spaces that appear to be fairly new include collaborative maker spaces, where residents can simply make things, and art galleries showcasing local artists and artisans. I've also seen a bigger focus on acoustics, especially since majority of the residents continue to work from home. Bob, what have you seen?
Well, bringing the outside in with fresh air and ventilation has always been a trend in Southern California. But I've also started to see more of the inside coming out, with lobbies and amenity spaces spilling out, and private and passive garden pods on amenity decks, where you have co-working and co-meeting flexibility. I see this as sort of a continuing trend towards health and wellness for these outdoor-based programs. But also, I think there's a sustainability story that I'm starting to see more in these mixed-use projects, primarily centered around these transit-oriented districts with multimodal transportation. In master plans, I've consistently seen parking ratios at 1.0 or under using captive market reductions. With Title 24 in California, we're required to have 20% EV-ready parking spaces and pretty substantial bike parking requirements. And the current project that I'm involved with, there is a potential single creative office tenant looking to obtain all of the rental units for worker subsidized housing.
That's very interesting. Macro changes are important, but small changes make a large impact as well. On a micro level, I have seen a shift in consciousness of materiality. Finishes that are directly related to the environment, such as carpets being classified as carbon neutral, or wall coverings being made with rapidly renewable resources, such as bamboo or grass cloth, and even recycled newspaper, in addition to upholstery being made of water bottles. Outside of materiality, appliance selections have been a topic of discussion as well, spending more effort on the debate of gas versus electric and the short-term and long-term effects to the world that we live in. All in all, climate change is taking a large toll on our planet, and there is a level of awareness steadily developing.
I agree. I see sustainability as a central platform growing across all project types and scales. Okay, well, thank you for listening to how residential design has evolved on a macro and micro level. If you like more residential insights, be sure to check out Gensler.com for more of the firm's research and insights.